According to the United States Fire Administration, electrical malfunctions are the leading cause of home fires year after year. 39% of home electrical fires involve outlets, interior house wiring, and other electrical wiring. Knowing the warning signs of a faulty electrical system will help keep your home and family safe. Frequently blowing fuses or tripping breakers could mean you're adding too many electrical items on a circuit. There is a problem in the circuit wiring, or the breaker is wearing out. Dimming or flickering lights could indicate a circuit is overloaded or has a loose connection. A loose connection can lead to arcing. Arcing is when electricity jumps from one wire to any other conductive surface, causing a serious fire hazard. Discolored and hot outlets, switches and plate covers, along with any crackling noises, are signs that connections are not secure and that arcing may be occurring. Burning smells are extremely serious. This means a fire has started or is about to start inside the walls. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker panel and contact a licensed electrician immediately. Even if you don't notice any electrical hazard warning signs, it's always a good idea to have your electrical systems checked if your home is more than 40 years old, you rely on extension cords on a regular basis, you've remodeled or added major appliances, your home uses 2-prong outlets instead of 3-prong outlets, your home has a fuse box, or your home has aluminum wiring or knob and tube wiring. If you have questions or concerns about your home's wiring, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.